It's Kiddspaddie!
Welcome to the kitchen, come and see. It's time to cook at the academy. Aprons on, let's wash our hands. We're little chefs with big plans. Mix, mix, mix in the bowl, round and round, that's our goal. Stir, 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 nice and slow. Watch the magic as we go. We're little chefs, yes it's true. Cooking fun for me and you. Sprinkle, stir, and scoop with care. Delicious smells are everywhere. Strawberries red and bananas bright. Chop them gently just right and pile them up on a plate so neat. Our fruity snack is fun to eat. We're little chefs, hooray, hooray. We cooked and laughed and learned today. Now it's time to share and eat. Cooking together is such a treat. Now we're done, the table's set. Our cooking day, the best one yet. Give a hug and take a bow. Little chefs, say bye for now. See you next time, don't forget. More tasty fun is coming yet.
Please subscribe.